Hello, I am Darshan co-founder of Indilok. At Indilok, precision is not about engineering, it is about the trust. Every vacuum phase seal fitting, every component that we manufacture and design is playing the crucial role in industries which are shaping the future, right from the semiconductor industry to the advanced technological applications. When we started Indilok, our vision was very simple: to create the world-class components right here in India, which is built to meet the global standards of quality and reliability. Because we knew that even the smallest part can make the biggest difference in terms of process and innovation. What drives us every day is the responsibility that we carry. Our customers depends on us for the product that don't just meet the specification but also exceeds the expectations. Products that enables the breakthrough technologies, products that keeps the critical processes running seamlessly. For us, this is more than manufacturing, this is the craftsmanship, it is the innovation, and it is the commitment. We are Indilok and we are proud to power the future of technology by manufacturing one component at a time here in India.